How do we know if an AI's positive predictions are actually correct? That's where precision comes in. Precision measures how many of the positive predictions made by an AI are actually correct. If an AI marks 10 emails as spam and only 8 are really spam, its precision is 80%. Precision equals true positives divided by all predicted positives. In this case, 8 divided by 10 equals 80%. High precision is important when false positives are expensive, such as medical diagnoses, fraud detection, or spam filtering. Remember, precision tells us how often an AI is right when it predicts a positive result. The higher the precision, the fewer false alarms.